Hello friends, Dirk Klingman here with the Grand Junction Fire Department, doing something special today. What I have here is one of two boxes presented to us by State Farm. This is for National Fire Prevention Week, which kicks off Sunday, October 3rd, runs till the 9th. Now, in recognition of Fire Prevention Week, the Grand Junction Fire Department is hosting an open house at our brand new station number 6. That is happening Saturday the 2nd. So that's one day before Fire Prevention Week starts, getting ahead of things this year. And again, that will be at Station 6, running from 10 a.m. to noon. And that's what all this good stuff is for. So we're going to take a moment, we're going to jump in this box right here and see what we've got. So again, this is in recognition of National Fire Prevention Week. Fire Prevention Week happens every single year, and every year it has a special theme. So we're going to take a look at our goodies here and find out what the theme is this year. So right off the bat, we have our information card right here. This year's theme is Learn the Sounds of Fire Safety. So we're talking about smoke detectors. So your smoke detector at home makes two distinct sounds. One of them is a very loud beep, beep, beep. The second is two chirp, chirps. Now the beep, beep, beep is the alarm sound. It's telling you to get out of the house. Now the two chirps, that's a signal from your alarm to replace the batteries. It's very important to know the difference between these two sounds and make the right decisions during an emergency. Let's see what else we have in the box. So right away we've got stickers. So we have National Fire Prevention Week stickers featuring Sparky the Fire Dog. And the theme of this year, Learn the Sounds of Fire Safety. So we got a bunch of stickers. Remember, we got two of these boxes. So here we've got very official, it says bag 21. Let's see what's inside here. Sealed pretty good. Alright, so it would appear that inside bag 21, there are more bags. Maybe there's 21 of these inside bag 21. So this will be your goodie bag. You can pick this up at Station 6 during our open house, and again that's this Saturday from 10 to noon. So we got a bunch of goodie bags. That's what we got right here. What else we got? We got some brown paper. Oh, one of my favorites, magnets. So we got our refrigerator magnets. Looks like we got a whole bunch of them with this year's theme on it. It's a good reinforcement. Make sure the kids are paying attention. Let's see what else we got. Oh, looks like we got a bunch of fun coloring activity books. Got a good stack of them right there. Remember, we got two of these boxes. Let's see what else we got here. We got some brochures. Everything you need to know about National Fire Prevention Week is going to be found right in here. You can pick these up in your goodie bag at our open house this Saturday. Let's see what else we got here. All right, here's the big one. This one might be for grown-ups. More information, more education, more safety right here. Big stack right there. Ooh, and then we got a tube. Let's see. All right. Staples. Here we are. We got posters. They are double-sided. We got them in English and in Spanish. Again, National Fire Safety Week. Learn the sounds of fire safety. Got a bunch of posters. Oh, and my favorite right here, we got a great big banner. All right, there's Sparky the Fire Dog, National Fire Prevention Week. You're going to see all of this at our open house this Saturday. You're going to get an opportunity to take a gift bag home. And big exciting news, the Colorado DFPC, or Department of Fire Prevention and Control, they're going to be on hands. They're going to bring what they call their side-by-side trailer. They're going to show you just exactly how easy it is for a fire to start in your home, how quickly it can grow, and how quickly your smoke detector can alert you to the emergency. So it will be a live fire demonstration. Our event starts at 10. The live fire demonstration will start at 10:30. So you will not want to miss that, I assure you. For more information, keep an eye on our Facebook page. All the details will be found right here. Other than that, I will look forward to seeing you at our open house. Be there, be square. Station 6 this Saturday from 10 to noon. We'll see you there. And remember, be careful out there.